Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to teach you guys some car maintenance skills. So let's get to the video. First up is tire pressure. So first, look at the side of your tire and look for the max inflation pressure that your tire can hold. For reference, this tire can hold up to 44 psi. Next, look on the inside of your car doors for the car manufacturer's recommended psi. Each car can vary. Next, grab your tire pressure gauge and check what pressure the tire's at. If you don't have one, you can get one on Amazon for cheap. Moving on, you're then going to fill up your tire with air. Now check what the tire pressure is at. Then screw the cap on good, then you're all good to go. Next on the list is coolant. Whoa, stop right there. Before you watch any further, do not, I repeat, do not open your coolant when it is hot. Because if you open it when it's hot, it will explode up and you will get burned by it. Okay, back to the video. Locate the cold fill range on the coolant reservoir and fill it up to the lowest line. Then carefully pour the coolant into the reservoir until you hit the lowest line. And after that, you're good to go. Next up is oil. Next, you're going to locate the yellow pull tab to check how much oil you have. Alright, pull the stick out and then you're going to wipe it clean with a paper towel. Then once you've wiped it clean, you're going to put it back in. You're going to pull it back out and then look where the oil is on the end of the stick. If the oil is on the X pattern area in between the two circles, then you're good. If your oil isn't at that spot, then fill it up, but if it is, then you're all good. Alright, that was all for today's video. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys learned something. I'll see you guys in the next one.